Hi everybody, this is Peter from Off-Road Electric and we have another day to work on our Tatra. I will probably just disconnect the cab from the rest of the vehicle and keep everything connected over there, and when I will need something then I will take a look and actually see how it's connected, because it's probably the best way how to do it. Let it sit on my head. Can't unscrew it. Let it go. Eureka moment. Broken. And it should be free. Yes. Wow, look at that view. That's awesome. Wow. That's awesome. We have connectors over here. I was hoping for that. So that's not one piece. I don't have to cut the wiring. That's awesome. Awesome. I don't have to cut anything. That's perfect. I need to disconnect this one. I don't know why it's not. Why we don't have any connector here? This is crazy. We have about 3 lights over here and I still can't see anything. 4 lights. Extra lights. And I still can't see anything. All the lines must be disconnected. So I guess we'll continue on this side. These 2 lines. I know what it is. It's a diesel, it's for the heater. I will have to drain it. So I need some bottle. There might be few liters. I have a canister. That's diesel. Almost full. There's one cable going to the alternator which is on this cover, so I have to remove this cover and disconnect that cable. It's under the cap, so I have to lift it up again. Okay, it's pretty late. It's about 7:30 in the evening and I have no energy. That's it. I'm tired. See you next time.